Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Vicky B. We're in the kitchen again today. I had asked my husband what he wanted me to cook for a video next, and he said lasagna. That's what he always says for a special meal. So I decided to go ahead and cook lasagna, and I'm just going to show y'all my basic lasagna recipe, nothing fancy. I first learned how to cook lasagna in the 7th grade in home ec, and I've been cooking it ever since, and most people love my lasagna. When I say, hey, what do you want for your birthday? Or, hey, what should we have for this meal? I get lasagna, lasagna, lasagna. So today we're cooking lasagna. Let's jump right into it. Stormy. Y'all, this is May the 5th. It's Storm's birthday. She's 11 years old today. Happy birthday, Storm. Happy birthday, Stormy. Okay, y'all, so this is going to be my ingredients for my lasagna. We have got some ground beef, probably between a pound and a pound and a half is what I use. Some spaghetti sauce seasoning mix, some tomato sauce, some lasagna noodles, a bell pepper, an onion, cream cheese, sour cream, and cottage cheese, some mozzarella, and some cheddar. And then I'm gonna do some rolls with some garlic butter. I've got my parsley and garlic salt set out. So yeah, I think that's about it. Let's get started. To get this recipe started, y'all, I've already washed my bell pepper, and I'm just gonna get this onion and this bell pepper diced up. And the next step is I'm going to just spray some cooking spray in this skillet and drop my peppers and onions in to get those started. And then I'm just going to get some pasta water started so it can get ready to come to a boil. I always put equal amounts of sour cream, cottage cheese, and cream cheese. So about 8 ounces is what I'm using today, but it just depends on what size lasagna you're making. What I like to do, y'all, is use about 2/3 of mozzarella and about 1/3 of cheddar, and that gives it a little mixture of flavor and color. Now I'm just adding 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce and a package of spaghetti seasoning mix. Okay, right here I put a layer of pasta, and then I put a layer of the cream cheese mixture. Then I put another layer of pasta. Then I put a layer of the meat sauce mixture. Then another layer of the pasta. Then my shredded cheese on top. And then I decided to go ahead and sprinkle some Parmesan and some parsley flakes on top. And now the easy stuff. Just gonna melt a stick of butter, brush it over these rolls, sprinkle a little bit of garlic salt and parsley flakes on top, and heat it up in the oven for about 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, I just pulled the lasagna out of the oven. It's all bubbly and got a little probably crispy on the edges right here like it needs to be. I ended up cooking it for 30 minutes on 350. And my rolls just came out of the oven. I cooked those for about 5 minutes at 350. They're just garlic butter rolls. So that's the dinner tonight, lasagna and rolls. You could easily do a salad or a vegetable tray to go with it, but this is it for us tonight. If you like these kinds of videos and want to see more cooking videos on my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment so we can chat. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all in the next video. Have a good day.